Hey guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. This video is going to be about basically advice. I want to kind of broaden the minds of drop shippers before they get into drop shipping. There's a lot of people that's interested in doing this and they have no clue what they're getting into. The tangled web, the mess that drop shipping and the stress that it can put on your life if you don't do certain things right will kill you. It will just absolutely wreck you. So, I had a new subscriber just message me a little while ago, and their name is Gabriel, and asked me some advice and asked me about Amazon tax exempt. And said that, Gabriel couldn't get tax exempt in the state that, or only in the state that he or she resides in. So this video is about, basically just going to give you some advice. I want you to think about some things that other drop shippers and other videos and other YouTubers aren't really talking about. And that's where I think this channel is going to shine. Not trying to pat myself on the back or anything, but it's so frustrating. It's so hard. The time that you have to get in here and spend to learn every little trick and nuance to drop shipping, it's overwhelming. Okay, so here's what I want you to understand, Gabriel and whoever watches this video. Most people who drop ship from Amazon to eBay are using a strategy that basically gives them 5% cash back on their Amazon Visa Signature Rewards card. Okay? I know because that's how I started. And as you will see, as you get into it and get a little deeper into it, you'll see that the competition is really tough. Really, 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 really tough. You're going to find products and you're going to be shaking your head and you're going to say, how are these guys making it? How are they doing it? Now, by all means, some of you guys may already know this, and hey, great for you. But this video, again, is catered toward the beginners. I want you to understand that. What I would recommend that you do before you, how about we just take this into consideration? Let's just say you've already got an Amazon account, or let's just say you don't. And in that account, you do or don't have Amazon Prime. The way to make money, or the way that you're going to be competitive in this game, is if you're going to use that strategy of 5%, you're not going to get very far. You need to use the strategy where you get 10%. That's how you're going to get somewhere. I don't know how you're going to be able, other than to optimize your listing title. That will give you an advantage and get you probably more than 10%, of course. But the likelihood is, not really good. So my best advice is this. Understand that you need to get 10%. Don't waste your time by going through this whole process of getting tax exempt on an account that's only going to allow you to get 5%. Here's what I mean by that. If you've never heard of Card Bazaar, then you have now. Go to that website, and I'll do a video on it. Don't worry about it. Because this is a strategy that I'm going to implement. And sometimes I just want to kick myself in the rear end because I wish I had somebody tell me this stuff. Go to Card Bazaar, and investigate how they do it. They have Amazon gift card accounts. They're Amazon accounts that you buy for like $1,000 or, well, $900 because you're going to get the 10% discount. So let's just say you're going to buy an account. Now, when I say account, I mean an actual account that has $900 in it. When you go over there, you're going to find, when you read through all this jargon, but I'm spoon feeding you right now, so be thankful. When you go through and read all the jargon that they put in there, and then you finally get to the point where you realize, hey, I'm buying an account. It's an actual Amazon account with a Gmail address or email address. That's mine. It's going to be mine. But that account does not have Amazon Prime on it. Now, the whole reason why you want to drop ship is because you want to offer Prime, right? You want the customer to get the product as soon as you can. So you're not going to become a drop shipper on Amazon that looks for the FBM, fulfilled by merchant. You want the fulfilled by Amazon option. When you, 9 times out of 10, fulfilled by merchant, it's really not that cheap. You know, everybody's competing for the buy box. Everybody on Amazon wants that buy box. They want to be number one. And the only way they're going to get that number one spot is by having the lowest price. So obviously, FBM is not going to be the lowest price in most cases. So getting back to Card Bazaar, on Card Bazaar, you're going to go through some hoops. It's going to take you some work to figure out how to go over to Coinbase, open an account there, and then go to GDX and learn about how to take your funds wired through a bank into GDX so you can purchase Bitcoin or Litecoin or any virtual currency, and then you're going to use that currency to buy the gift card or Amazon account gift card balance for, you know, a 10% discount, because that's the only way you're going to get 10% discount from anywhere that will allow you to be competitive in the drop shipping game when it comes to Amazon to eBay. Now, I hope I'm making sense of this, but before you have an Amazon account that already has Prime on it, and before you get it tax exempt, understand that you're probably wasting your time by messing with your personal account. You're probably not going to make much money. You're going to pull your hair out, and it's going to be, it's going to be a mess. You're going to get to the point where you just give up. It's going to be stressful for you. And I think that's one of the reasons why most people don't make it. Now, by all means, I consider myself to be a beginner, but I also consider myself to be someone who thrives on knowledge. I want to know everything that I could possibly know. I want to know that at the end of the day, I did everything that I could to educate myself to be profitable and not have a reason to fail. So, in this video, guys, please take that into consideration. Please take it into consideration that if you have an Amazon account right now, and if it has a Prime membership on it, then you're only going to get 5%. The only way that you're going to get a 10% discount when you buy at least $900 worth of gift card / account, because that's what it is, an account with $900 value in it. The only way you're going to get that is if you jump through these hoops and go to Card Bazaar, set up a Coinbase account, figure out how to transfer that money from Coinbase to GDX or whatever that platform is, that foreign currency or virtual currency website is, and then transfer it back into Coinbase, which moves it into Card Bazaar, and then you can, from Card Bazaar, you can purchase anyway, it's a mess. I'll do a video on it, guys. But before you do anything else, please take that into consideration, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you need any specifics on what I'm saying, I hope I made it clear. Sometimes I get to rambling, but I thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the Amazon tax-exempt video. But remember what I said, consider it. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thrifty Christian, out.